Hello everyone, I'm Arsha Modi Singhania from Areen Listen to Your Heart. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very quick and beautiful nameplate that you can curate by yourself, and we are giving DIY kits of the same. So let me show you what all we are going to use from the store today. So I'm going to use this very nice and sturdy base from the store, some stencils. So this is our newly launched border stencil. This is gonna be soon available in the market. Also, we are using our chalk paints, orange pico, terracotta brown, metallic gold. We are using our texture paste and a crackle medium gel. So these are the products that we are using, guys, and what we are gonna give you the benefit of booking our DIY kits for this beautiful nameplate is you can pick up your own prints. Yes, you can pick up your own prints. You can select your own colors. You can select your stencils. So go ahead, connect with us on FB and IG. I'm going to share the link in the description, and let's start with the tutorial. So to start here, friends, I've taken my MDF base and I have coated it with primer already, and I'm going to use my chalk paint now. So I'm going to use the orange pico color here. I'm going to give a good layer of orange pico on my base, just one coat and I'm good to go. So you would see a very nice and smooth finish once you apply the chalk paint by Areen. You will see a very nice, smooth and matte look. Now here I'm taking my decoupage napkin and I'm just giving a rough look to the edges because I really don't want to have prominent lines on my nameplate. So I'm just removing the edges a bit. And now, as we all know, we have to work with a single ply when we are doing decoupage. So I have removed the extra plies and now I'm going to apply the decoupage glue on the base. Just apply the glue on the portion that is required, and when you are sticking the decoupage napkin, make sure the alignment is proper. Also make sure you seal the edges properly of the decoupage napkin. That is really very important. So make sure that you seal the edges properly. So guys, we are giving these DIY kits. We are providing our crafters with all the DIY kits. So we are giving options also. You can pick up the design of the base, you can pick up the napkin you want, you can pick up the colors you want. So what else you want, guys? Connect with us on FB, on IG. The link is given in the description, and book your kits as soon as possible. Now I'm just adding a bit more decoupage here and there. And now I'm using my terracotta brown color and the metallic golden color, and just applying on the cornering. You can see how bright the colors are. Very smooth, very creamy, thick in texture. Quickly gonna apply my metallic golden color also. Just look at the finish of the color. Now after drying, I'm going to apply the crackle gel medium from the store. I'm giving a generous layer of crackle medium. The thicker the crackle medium is, the bigger the cracks are. So I'm just giving a good layer of crackle medium here. And now after drying, again I'm going to apply my base color, that is orange pico. So when you're doing the color on the crackle medium, make sure you do it in one go. Do not overdo it, do not overlayer it. Otherwise you're going to spoil the look of the cracks. So just make sure you do it in just one go. And after drying, you're going to see very nice and big cracks here. Now here I'm using my border stencil, that is again from the store. This is gonna come in the market very soon. And I'm using the texture paste again from the store itself, and you can see how smooth the texture paste is. I'm just making sure that the texture paste stays within the border because I want a lace kind of look, as the nameplate is for a boutique. So after doing this, just giving the edges to the nameplate, just coloring the edges and sticking the name, and we are done. So this is a very quick nameplate that you can try. You can connect with us for DIY kits. Just adding on some more stenciling here with brown and golden color. You will get all the material in the kit itself. You don't need to buy anything, any specific thing from outside. Apart from the basic tools, the brushes and everything, we are gonna give you everything. So here with the terracotta brown color, just doing the edges, and we are done after sticking the name. I hope you all like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Do share your reviews with us in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and follow. Thank you so much.